So, for today's craft, we're going to be making a mailbox. Isn't that right?
Yes.
And the mailbox, you know, just like in the Bible, God talks to us. He talks to us through prayer, and He talks to us through the Bible. We can read His Word. And so we're going to make a mailbox where we can send messages. We could write messages to God, put them in there. And our friends and family could put good words in there and good things, and we could write messages back and forth. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Now for this craft, we need some different materials. And we want to give people a lot of options. First thing we need is some paper plates. You have some designs in mind?
Well, I think you could show yours.
Okay. Well, I have some plastic plates here. So now the benefit of the plastic plates is they're colored on both sides. And that's quite good if you want to make a tiny mailbox, or we got some small ones left over from another craft. But if you want to make a bigger one, we picked up some options at the dollar store. What do we have?
We have kind of like plates. One side is like has some little bit color, and one side has just white area.
And you're going to see during the craft that, you know, you're going to use the white side to be exposed, but you can have part of this showing. And you picked up another design?
Yeah, I picked up like this design.
Oh yes, so you got some cartoon characters there.
Yeah.
And it's white on the back.
Yeah.
And then what else do you have? Okay, so this is a big one. So we got the small, medium, and large. So we're going to make different sizes of mailboxes today?
Yeah, and these two are the same size.
Oh yes, so the pattern, though the pattern is different, it's the same size. Perfect. Okay, what else do we need for the craft? We're going to need some
scissors.
Yeah, and what else do we need?
Hot glue gun.
Or glue.
Or glue.
Either one works.
Either one works.
Yeah, and then of course for decoration.
Yeah, for decoration you could use crayons or stickers.
Oh, I see you got a lot of stickers. Didn't you get a lot of stickers? And then what else you got there?
And we got little decorations that you have to glue on, and some words.
Yeah, you picked that one up because it says believe. And you were grabbing animals because God created a bunch of different creatures, right?
Yes.
So you wanted to put things that relate to that, and God created flowers. You grabbed some flowers. Wow, I'm really excited to see how your mailbox is going to look. So you ready to start that craft?
And different kinds of numbers.
Yeah, that's right. Well, that's right. You want to put numbers on your mailbox just like people have on their house. Our next stage is to cut it. So?
Yeah. So if you're hard cutting, your parents could draw little dots. See? Your parents could draw little dots for you, and then you could cut it.
Yeah. And I'll do it on this one. You could do it in the middle or a little bit high, depending how much stuff you want to fill in it. So I'll just do this one.
Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do now is you have a round plate. You could grab a round plate and see how I cut it. And then do you know what you want to do? You want to flip that piece over and then stick it onto the other one.
And we could do that with a hot glue gun or glue, right?
Yes.
And we'll do it with the hot glue gun because it's faster.
Yeah.
And
well, not really fast.
Well, I guess it's not as really fast. It just takes longer for the glue to dry if it's normal glue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, should we put the glue on here now?
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
I'll hold it. We have a cat in our audience. You can hear him meowing. Earlier we had the heater going. It was pretty noisy. Perfect. Thank you.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit hot?
Too hot.
It's too hot to touch, isn't it? Yeah, if you're very young, you should be using just normal glue. Yeah. That's right. Okay. How's that?
Pretty good.
Yeah. That's the first part. Now we can color this part and decorate it.
Yeah. And we got some stickers. So.
Did you want to use any of this first to color this part?
Ooh, okay. Sure. I'm teaching.
So your picture is you teaching?
Yeah, teaching little kids.
Oh, very nice. And how would you like to decorate that now?
I think we need the hot glue gun again.
Okay. Let's put your decorations on.
See guys, we have sea stars and a shiny shell and like a kind of like a flower. And then it repeats the same thing.
Okay. Did you want to use the hot glue gun again?
Okay.
You're right. Just watch your fingers. Okay. Now, is there any other stickers you're going to put on this one?
Okay, now I'll do my code. I think my number could be 0. And we're finished.
Now all we have to do is find a way to hang this so we can poke a hole in the top with a pen.
Yeah, we need to poke a hole, and then you can grab whatever string you want.
So we'll poke a hole right in the middle here. And just poke a hole with a pencil. There we go. And now you can hang that up and
With
get your mail.
a ribbon. A ribbon.
So the next one's the yellow one. How do you want to decorate that one?
I think I'm going to do my number.
Okay, do that first. Put a hair on there.
2, 7. And we're done.
So now all
The
we have to...
next one.
So hanging this one, let's try something different. We'll, on the back side, it wasn't on our list of things to get, but we will put some string on the back. So you can hang it, and we'll just put some glue on either side.
Yeah, but you need a little bit higher.
You want to see the string on the top? So make sure it's centered.
Yeah, and to see the string.
Okay.
And we can hang it just like this. Hi guys, now we have a hot glue gun. I just got to spray a little bit
And
here.
you're doing that to cover up the words?
Yes. If you buy a plate with words, you have to cover up the words with.
Yeah. So where did you get that blue circle from?
From plate.
You cut it out, right?
I cut it out.
Oh, that's creative.
Does that look beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
It would be a perfect one.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I think it looks great. So now we got to use the hot glue gun. Okay, this is super hot. Okay, let's put glue around the edge there. Okay.
Just need a little bit more flash. Perfect. Okay, guys. So I'm finished my craft. Here is my craft that I made.
Very good. That's a beautiful mailbox. Now to hang that one, we've shown two other methods. One was poking a hole in the top. The other one was hanging it by a string, right? Mm-hmm. Now this one, what we're going to do is, a lot of the stickers you come in these bags, right? So we're going to take the top part of that off. We're going to cut it. And we're going to take the hot glue gun and then glue this on the back so you have a place to hang it. There, you see? Now you can hang it this way and you can't even see it.